Dead battery at 2 a.m. in a Walmart parking lot? Yeah, been there. Here's the thing nobody tells you about those cheap jump starters on the internet. Half of them can't actually start a dead battery when you need them most. So we tested the best budget car battery jump starter that actually works. And honestly, the AstroAI S8 blew my mind. This thing weighs less than a pound, fits in your glove box, but it started a completely dead 6-liter truck engine on the first try. I'm talking battery so dead the lights wouldn't even flicker. It's got this smart boost mode that kicks in automatically when your battery's toast. Plus it doubles as a phone charger and has an SOS flashlight. Metal clamps, not that flimsy plastic garbage. And get this, it's like $40. Real customers are saying it saved them in freezing weather. And parents are buying these for their kids' first cars because it's literally foolproof. We put the full review and current pricing in our bio. Drop a comment if you've ever been stranded with a dead battery. I want to hear your horror stories. And hey, tag someone who still doesn't have one of these in their car because we both know they need it.